In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your ClickUp account so you can safely remove your data and close your profile. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and logging into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage everything related to your profile. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Here you'll find the option to delete account. Before clicking it, take a moment to review your data. Make sure you've saved any important tasks, documents, or files because once the account is deleted, this information cannot be recovered. If you're part of any workspaces, it's a good idea to leave them first to avoid issues with shared projects. Once you're ready, click Delete Account and confirm your choice. ClickUp may ask you to verify again to make sure this is intentional. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for deletion. There is usually a short grace period before everything is permanently removed. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to delete your ClickUp account, ensuring your data and workspace are properly cleared.